So I want to show you the buffer progress gadget in Jira. You can have your dashboard here and then just add the gadget like this. So it works with story points, so it's perfectly for an agile environment. In the first part, I will just show you with an epic how to do that. The epic has a start and an end date and has child stories with story points and have a status. Based on this, the plugin can show you the progress. So first choose the story points here. Epic is fine. I need to look for the start and end date fields. And the epic name, so the ID. I can have multiple of them. So I will have another prepared one here. And now you can see the plug 2 in this case is nearly on the yellow part, which means it's a little bit delayed, but not too much. If it's in the green, it's perfectly fine. If it's in the red, it's more delayed. And here you have the details. The very same view you can also have with filters. So that means like this one. Here I have different projects and added the stories just with a label to combine them. Same as here, just for another project. Could be, for example, PI1, PI2 or something. And then I can here add such another buffer progress. Same like before, story points. Then yeah, I switch to say filters in this case. I have here this one. Here I also need to define the start and end date because obviously these filters do not have one. And I can have another filter here. And maybe the same time range. I could also say, okay, this might be team B and this team A. And then you can see it like this. That's all. Thank you for watching.